Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study synthetic rubber. Uh, my name is Kamna Evde and we are going to discuss synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber, as its name indicates, is a rubber-like substance which are having better properties than rubber, and this can be prepared by men in the laboratory. As we know that there are so many drawbacks of natural rubber, so we prepared a new kind of rubber in the laboratory which is having better properties. That rubber is called synthetic rubber. It is made to overcome all the drawbacks of natural rubber, and it will increase the life of rubber as we know it. Now this kind of rubber can be vulcanized and it can be compounded to change its color, shape and size, so it can provide the excellent services. This is the main purpose of making synthetic rubber. Now we have to discuss properties of rubber. First, elasticity. As we already studied this, elasticity means if we apply force on rubber, it changes its shape and size, and we remove the force, it regains its shape and size. As the picture shows, we have applied the force, so there is a change in shape and size, and when we remove this force, it will regain its original shape and size, and this is the basic property of rubber which synthetic rubber also having. Next is the tack. It's a new kind of property. It's a special property of rubber, in which this property, two pieces of rubber can be joined by a solvent, in which we take two pieces and join them with the help of putting a solvent. It is found that one thickness of rubber is not as strong as thickness is obtained by adding thin layer of rubber. One layer of rubber is not thick, it can be easily broken, but if of the same thickness, if we add different rubbers and introduce solvent between them, this rubber is called tack. This property is called tack, and this piled rubber, we can say it's piled rubber, it is better having properties, then it is more stronger than one single rubber of same thickness. So this property is used in the formation of tire. Now here is a picture of tire. Here we can see directly there are so many 6 to 7 layers of tire, from this 1, 2 and something. These are joining with the help of rubber, resulting in the formation of a piled rubber, and that this piled rubber is more strong and more thick. That's why we are using it in the formation of a tire. So tack is a special property which rubber is having. Other is abrasion resistance. The meaning of abrasion is to resist the friction. So it's the property of rubber to resist loss or wearing of friction by loss of surface by friction is called as abrasion resistance. As we know, this loss of friction is called abrasion. So with the property of resisting is, it's called abrasion resistance. It is measured by a machine in which abrasion material is rubbed against rubber. A material which is abrasive is rubbed against a rubber, and we will find the abrasion resistance. This property, using it for shoe industry. We know that the whole shoe industry is based on this property, because if rubber is having this property that it doesn't get lost by the friction. That's why we are using it. And the other one is the tire industry. So there is in both this application there is a friction in between the surface and the rubber, so it doesn't get lost. That's why we are using this as a rubber abrasion resistance property. Next, hardness. It is the property of rubber to resist the penetration. How much rubber can be resist to the penetration is this property is called as hardness. It is measured by a machine called durometer. in durometer we have taken one piece of rubber and insertion of a nail to it, and that much of insertion, there is a less hardness. So a durometer hardness scale is given there. If it is extra soft, then we are making it gummies, soft gummies, then soft, then paints medium soft, then medium hard, then we are using it for tire. If it is hard, it is a skateboard wheel. If it is extra hard, for making hard wheel. So there is a scale given according to the hardness. There are applications of the rubber.